talaga sa singing skills ng nanay. It's a Saturday. We're here near Quinta Market. Mapin natin si Tanggol dito. At kakanta tayo at sabay-sabay ng Batang Quiapo. Here at Lucky Chinatown Mall and we have a quick snack. God is good talaga kasi walang araw, walang sikat ng araw. Ganda ng weather. Are you tired? Late ako nag-coffee. We're busy kanina. Better late than never. We have 2 more places to go. Sinasama ko talaga yung mga anak ko kahit sa errands kasi parang nagiging bonding na rin namin. Yun nga lang, nakita ko na mapagod din sila. That's okay. Happy naman kami. Right? We're happy. We're here at I don't know where. So, nadaanan lang namin ni Ronald pauwi. So nice here. I don't know what you call this place, but it's near Chinatown, Binondo area. Fourth stop natin, SNR.
Oh, 349 each. Para sa pamilya natin.
Our favorite, late dinner na talaga kami. Manang-mana talaga sa singing skills ng nanay. Hinahaman ako ng duet nito. At ang request niya bagong-bago through the years. I swear through the years don't sway sometimes when you and I collide.